Hi, this is Dr. Sean Behnam from Dermatology and Hair Restoration Specialist, and I have one of my patients, Yolanda, who we did her hair transplant last year. Welcome.
Thank you.
It has been almost 9 to 10 months since her hair transplant. We did approximately 1,800 grafts on the frontal area of her scalp. And how do you feel?
Like a new woman.
Excellent. Tell us about your experience going through and getting a hair transplantation.
It was kind of scary until I met the doctor. And then I knew everything was going to be okay, that everything I was promised was true, that I was going to be his baby for one day. And he made me that. I was his baby for a day. I can't say that there was any discomfort at all, except for maybe a couple of places up here on the crown that were sensitive. But he went very gently with me. He worked his way through it. I worked my way through the pain. I can honestly tell you that it was a 98% painless procedure. When they opened up the scar on the back, I didn't feel it. When they did the implants, I didn't feel it. I was happy throughout. I left smiling. I was happy that I had made a new friend. And I was treated just like his baby for a day. I even got lunch out of it.
Excellent. We always provide lunch. Now, I know you had a hair transplant once before, by somebody else, but it didn't work out that well. How would you compare, our hair transplants versus the one you had previously?
No comparison. The first one was traumatic for all kinds of reasons. First of all, I didn't get enough grafts in. Every single graft that they did was one single follicle. And then I got instructions on my medication to take them in the morning. So I left there in the afternoon and I went all night long without medication, calling the doctor. What do I have to do to get rid of the pain? Ice it. Not even knowing or telling me that I had to have the medication taken at the very moment that I left the office. So the fact that I met with Dr. Behnam, I had to overcome that fear. Because not only did I not get enough hair, I was also traumatized from the pain. When I met him, I knew I was in good hands. I did it again. I went in there smiling and scratching without a problem at all.
Now, it has almost been about 9 to 10 months after the procedure. So how do you feel? How has the hair transplantation, changed your life?
It has changed my life in such a manner that I feel like a different person. My friends tell me I look beautiful. My daughter can't believe it. I can't believe it. I look at my hair and I say, oh my God, it's back. Thank you very much, Dr. Behnam. Every day that I look in the mirror, I thank you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Okay.
There are a lot of women out there that experience hair loss and they're afraid to consider hair transplantation. Do you have any suggestions for them?
My suggestion is do not pass go. Go directly and get Dr. Behnam to do this procedure for you. You'll feel like a different person. You'll get your confidence back. I know what a woman's hair means to them because I've lost it. And I know what it means to get it back.
Definitely, and have it done correctly.
And have it done 100% correctly, being taken care of in good hands, great follow-up. Anything I needed, he was there. Not even the receptionist, him.
I always give out my direct cell phone number to everybody after the procedure, just to make sure you have direct access, and these are very important.
Absolutely, and he does that provide for you.
Great.
Very well. no hesitation, women, please. There's no reason for you to go one more day with hair loss when you have him.
How about recommendations for all those men out there that are losing their
Men too! I know how men feel.
I mean, it's a huge important thing. It frames the
Absolutely,
face, it's very
yes, it's extremely important to a male also to be losing his hair. It goes with his virility, and one thing doesn't have to do anything with the other, but that's the way it happens. Yes.
Well, thank you very much for coming and sharing your ideas. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.